Okay, today I just got this new paintbrush cleaner and holder in. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and take a look at it with everyone. Let's see here. Let's see. We've got the little instruction booklet. And let's pull out the pieces themselves. Let's see here. All right. There's the water container. And what is this? All right, let's see here. Let's see here. It shows us how to put this together. All right. Make sure the washer is in the lid right. Okay, and I've got some water right here. So we'll pour some into the jar, the dispenser. And oh, okay. Guess we don't need the okay. You only put the plug on for when you're filling the bottle. So when you flip it upside down, the water doesn't leak out. Okay, and this goes on just like that. Then we'll take our bottle and flip it, and there it goes. Okay, and you can see water coming out. Okay, and it fills this little reservoir at the bottom here. And okay, let's get a paintbrush. I don't think these are, so you just put your brush in there to clean it, and then you can dry it off, and it has holders on each side to put your paintbrushes. Let me move that closer here. And then when this water gets dirty, you just press the button and it flushes it, and it goes into the holding tank in the bottom. And let's see here. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. You can see down here where my finger is. There's a little plug to drain the holding tank. So, and this will, the gravity will refeed the little pot. So you always have water in there. This is pretty darn neat. I like this. I'm really pleased with it. I like having access to the clean water all the time. And you can, there's little ridges in here to help clean the brush, and a little silicone stopper there. Yeah, and then you just put your brushes. That is really nice. I like this a lot. So this is called a brush rinser. Turn this around so you can see it. Brush rinser. And it has the holders for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 paintbrushes you can hold too. And you can see, oops, over there, there is the link. Just scan the QR code and it'll take you right to Amazon, where you can grab one of these for yourself. I use a lot of acrylic paint because I do the laser cut earrings and jewelry. So I'm always painting, and you know, this is what I have been using. Let me move this off to the side. Just move it a little bit. Just a little all-purpose cup with a lid for my water. But you know, that gets dirty quick, and this is really nice how it has the where you can just drain it and you'll get a fresh supply of clean water immediately to keep your brushes nice and clean. So that's all I had today. I just wanted to show you that. I wanted to unbox it and show it to you. And this is going to be a handy tool. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.